Hey guys, what's up? My apologies for not being able to make a video in a while. I've been doing a lot of other things lately, and I have not had the time to do videos of fans. So my collection has grown a little bit, and this is one of them. This is a Casablanca Delta II in antique brass. I picked this up off of OfferUp yesterday for fairly cheap. It came 100% complete. It does have the canopy, which is in a bag. I just didn't install it for the video. It came with that 4-light kit you see on it, and when I got it, the bearings were really bad. So I shot some WD-40 in there, and they got a little bit better, but it's still, the noise still lingers a little bit. But this fan's from, I think, 1991, August 14th, 1991. It was like the 980th fan that day, something like that. But yeah, so I'll test it out for you. I'll start with low speed. You don't really hear the bearing noise that much on low, but you definitely hear it on medium and high. But it does a fair job. Slow speed. Kick it up to medium. I didn't really get to clean it off yet too. It still has a lot of the fresh dust on it. Especially where the globes are, there's a lot of dust on them. But still doing a pretty decent job. And here's the light off. Forgot to show that. You can't really see it too well with the light off, so I'll probably keep it on for the video. Here's high. Wobbles just a little bit on high. Bring it closer to the fan for this one. It does a good job. It's a little bit out of clock too, so. I don't know if any of you remember, but I actually got another one of these a while ago with no blades and no mounting hardware. That one I did part out because I just didn't need it anymore. But I'm probably going to use the K4S and put it on this if this ever gets installed anywhere. But yeah. Give you a look at the tag for those who are interested. $987th. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.